I clean the table. I dust my shelf. I wash dishes. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I wash a dirty ball. I dry a clean plate. I walk into the kitchen. I fill the kettle with water. I boil some water for tea. I set a plate on the table. I pour some soup into the plate. I taste the soup. I open the fridge. I take out some milk. I pour milk on cereal. I take a spoon. I eat my breakfast slowly. I prepare a sandwich. I eat the sandwich. I drink a glass of water. I take a plate. I hold the spoon. I stand near the table.